You losing money and you're still listening and you still don't do what your guts.
Good morning, Philippines!
Hey, baby! Anyway, guys, maglaba tayo. I think nalabhan na ba to? Labadami labango. Maganda talaga ito, oh. So lucky talaga nito. Kasi walang spray. Yun na, alam nyo na. Hindi siya inisprayhan. At pwede siyang labhan. O, diba? Look, maganda. Labhan natin. Doble po ang ano dito. Ito, doble. Ito siya, bibag spray. Ito yung ina-spray namin kapag ginawag. Yan. Yun yung ina-spray kapag mag-change. Paglaba si Mama. Mama's doing laundry. Come on. Come on. Tignan niyo tong dalawa. The spoiled two. Ay, pag. No. Come on, let's go this way. Come on, okay, go to the office. Come on, let's go to the office of music. Office. Ito yung labhan ko pala. Labhan ko ito, guys. Ito yung og na nakuha natin sa basura. So, yan. Ang gagawin ko, makikita mo may kaunting spray. Pero hindi siya halatang halata. O, diba? Hindi siya na-sprayhan ng maayos. Mag-fold lang tayo ng mga damit ko, guys. Pasensya na kayo sa office ko, guys, makalat. Kayong green screen ko, andyan pa rin, o hindi ko siya kinukuha. Magagamit ko kasi siya, guys, kapag gusto kong gamitin. So, yun. Ihahang ko lang itong mga damit na andito sa upuan kasi, yun, nalabhan na yan, malinis na yan. So, dapat ko siyang ilagay. O, tignan mo yung mga alaga ko. Magkahiwalay kasi yung closet namin ni Mr. guys. Yung malaking closet andun kay Tami and then yung sa akin sa taas. Kasi konti lang naman talaga yung gamit ko din. So, yun, kaya maliit yung sa akin. Maliit man talaga yung sa akin eh. Huwag na kayong dirty mind. Nandito na ako sa baba, guys. Nililinis ko lang itong rug dito sa labas kasi po may ginagawa si Tami yung upuan. So, ang dumi-dumi. So, kaya kunin nga natin itong mga dumi. Talking to me or what? Or I'm just gonna go back to the house?
Guys, you have a stockbroker supposedly.
You losing money and you're still listening and you still don't do what your guts.
Everybody's losing money.
And everybody's getting out. The same thing with Rich. Rich is still a lot of money because he listened to his guts.
Like 4 years ago. No, he didn't listen to his guts. He got pissed off at his broker.
No, he listened to his guts.
No, it's not true.
May pera pa naman siya doon, guys, pero nawalan talaga siya. It's a big loss. Big chunk. Kasi alam nyo naman, you know what's happening here. You know better. You're always in the news. You know what's happening in the world. You know what's happening in stock market. And yeah, but you know this is gonna go down. I mean, you know that. Even you told me this.
Yeah, and everything's going down. My thing is...
No, it's gonna be wiped out. The whole thing. You know that.
Okay, yeah, understand something. Do you know what the stock market is? Okay? You're buying stock in companies. So
I know what it
all
is.
of those companies go bankrupt, General Electric, Microsoft, all of those companies, you figure it's going to go to zero. That means all of those companies are going to cease to exist.
So me, I'm gonna buy a land, small property, to build a tiny house over there in the Philippines that I have somewhere to go home.
There you go.
Yes, when I go back over there, where are you gonna think I'm gonna stay, hun? Why, you don't agree?
Depends how hot it is, where you're going to stay. You better make sure you put plenty of electric. You can buy air conditioning when you're there.
Like, if I go vacation over there, where do you think I'm gonna go? I'd rather go to the province, quiet life.
I'd rather go there and go to the beach, but that's me.
Well, you don't wanna even go with me. So
I do want to go with you. I'm not going now.
Stop muna kami dito sa ano, biyana ng kapatid ni Tami kasi tinawagan si Tami ipalabas daw yung ano, basurahan. Kasi I think pick up bukas eh. So kaya ipalabas. Hindi kasi siya makalabas, guys. Kasi matanda na siya ba, hindi niya madala sa baba kasi parang ganun yung driveway nila, oh. So kaya andito si Mister, siya yung maghatid sa baba, Nakaligo na po ako, guys. So presko na. Ayan, pakainin ko lang itong mga alaga. Maingay po ang bahay kasi malakas po yung TV. Tingnan natin yung apple. Masarap kasi. Masarap kasi siya kahit maliit pa, guys. So yun, marami talaga siyang bunga. Doon sa ibabaw. Bunga galong. Sarap. So look, guys, I have fresh cucumber from the garden and soka. Look. Fresh. I love it. Where's my lalab? Ay, andun pala kahiga. Mag-ice cream ko, Han. Mag-ice cream ko. Naintindihan talaga niya. Cone, oy, cone. Cone, oy, cone. Anyway, I'm going to throw the garbage out first. Ay, nako. Ha? No, you're not going to. Today is what? Oh, let's go to the garbage now. Come and I'll give you company. I like to go out walking too, you know. We're so boring. We're just staying in the house. Doesn't do walkie, Tuki. It's nice to go walk around, but you didn't, you know. It's like, ito yung asawa ko, guys. Ayun niya talaga yung mga. Sometimes it's nice to walk around, look at the surroundings, but he doesn't like it. Boring. But anyway, guys, I'm going to end the vlog. Itapon na ng basura. Tuesday na pala ngayon. And then bukas na sila magkuha ng basura. Ito, guys, nagtatago ako, guys. Ito kasawa ko, hindi man lang marunong makipaglaro. Nagtaguan. So ngayon, nagtatago ako. Hinahanap niya ako. Yun, naghintay lang ako dito habang, nagsi-CR siya. So, yung mga aso, buti na lang hindi nila ako binisto. Binisto ba? But anyway, so yun. So makikita ninyo yung ginawa ng asawa ko dito. Habang ako ay nagtatago. Wala man lang pakialam, guys. Oh my God. Tignan nyo na lang to, guys. O, ito.
You don't care. I'm going in for 10 seconds and your mother just gets it. Okay, so the camera's going, so your mother's hiding here somewhere, waiting to do something weird. I guess I just shut the camera off.
You're stupid! Honey, you don't even know how to look. You don't really care. If somebody kidnap me, I'm done.
Oh, kidnap you. Oh, yeah, okay. So I'm going to give them treats, and somebody's going to kidnap you, and you won't say a peep. I won't hear nothing.
If somebody will really do kidnap me,
I won't hear the door along, open up, nothing.
they can even take me away without, you don't care. I-end ko na to. Thank you so much for watching. Thank you, guys. Wala masyadong ganap ngayong araw kasi boring na yung lately yung buhay ko is boring. O, diba? Kasi kasama ko din boring. Anyway, bye, guys. Thank you for watching. Bye!